Hey y'all, so today I'm going to continue on with my collection series. This is my Zoya drawer. As for all the rest of the drawers, I start up here at the top corner with the red, go down to oranges, greens, blues, purples, and then into like the nudes and neutrals, browns, metallics, blacks, and grays. I don't own any of the pixie dust or the matte velvets, but I do own the natural satins. It's the ones with the matte caps. This is sage. There's taupe. Brittany. Leah, Anna, and Rowan. I also have several of the scattered holos. Everly. This is Cadence. Merida. Oops, got a dog hair. I have 3 dogs. My life is covered in dog hair. Dream, which is one of my favorites. Aurora, Finley, Alicia, Storm, which is what I'm wearing today, and Brighton. I forgot about Blaze. My very first Zoya order, I remember this very clearly, was Cole, which this is the only one that I've switched to the wide brush so far, and I think it definitely benefits having the Z wide brush. It is one that has a little bit more of a difficult formula, which I don't have a ton of that issue from Zoya, but that is one that I went ahead and switched. So Cole, Lillian, Robin, and Charlie were my very first Zoya order. I also have some really gorgeous ones like Astrid. I love this gold. Logan is really pretty. This is Yuna, which I think is pretty unique. I actually bought this because my grandma's name was Yuna, but it was Y-O-U-N-A. But I figure, how unusual is that? I gotta get it. Autumn is a really gorgeous fall color. It's like fall leaves in a bottle. Of course, I have a ton of blues. It starts all the way up here and goes down to about here. And that's my Zoya collection. I am thinking about doing a swatch video of the holos. So if you want to see that or anything else, just let me know. And I will see y'all in the next video.